Delighted to be here to fulfill another promise I made to the people of Honolulu to provide them with basic necessities. In this case, a boat and an engine for the Nabouono nursing station at Langi village in Macuata. When I conducted the tour of Macuata in January this year, the maternity king of Wundu pointed out to me the acute need for this vessel to meet the health needs of our people. The nursing station at Langi village is not accessible by road, and it takes more than an hour to travel by boat to it from the landing. The nurses there often have to walk to other villages and settlements when there is an emergency or to conduct their normal village outreach visits. This boat will assist our nurses to reach the communities they serve quickly and safely. It benefits 250 people from the villages of Langi, Wunikondi, Nukusan, Nukundamu, and other nearby settlements. And the total cost of this project of almost $27,000 includes, of course, a 23.5-foot cabin fiberglass vessel with safety kit, a 60 horsepower outboard engine, and the cost of freighting this to Lambasa. The boat is Fijian made, having been constructed by Safeway Marine Limited in Watuanga, Suva. And I want to commend everyone who has been involved in the construction of the vessel and in bringing it to Honolulu. An allocation like this may seem small in the overall scheme of things in terms of our national development, but a vessel like this can have a huge impact for the betterment of ordinary people. In this case, improving the delivery of health services to this remote part of Fiji. I'm always especially pleased to be able to give the people of the North any assistance I can to improve their lives. As I said at a wonderful celebration in Lambasa last Friday, welcoming home our Rugby 7 gold medalist, we have big plans for the North. Over time, we intend to bring Northerners the same level of services that are currently enjoyed by the people of Viti level. Same access to roads, same access to electricity, to water, and communications. And of course, the health care that Northerners are receiving from nursing stations like the one at Langi. I also say that it will take time to extend these services to everyone. But again, as I always say, I will not rest as Prime Minister until every Fijian, no matter where they live, has access to the same things that others enjoy in our towns and cities. I would have liked to have presented this vessel in front of the community that will benefit from it, and I apologize for not being able to do so because of my other commitments in Honolulu. But I would like the Commissioner to please pass on my greetings to everyone in Nundu and tell them how pleased I am to have kept the promise I made to help them. May God bless you all, and especially those who travel on this vessel. And may God bless our nurses who do so much to keep our communities healthy. Now, I thank you.
That's good, right? Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
Your boat and I can't see the engine, man.
Inside.
Even the engine.
Saya kena pakai.
Enggak ada dua buta. Enggak ada belum buat.
Tambe mandana wanga na dani kaluna tamanda ke na lubana ke na lutambu o tambu itu kuna wanga to mantiki na daga ni bingarabi be buke be bambula na be bueti be rana kanda na stabana dende pakalunga teken tamatiki na kalun
La fotios. Oh, creo que la capté yo. set sa nom do ang ni Berto na nasi, ibu ke Berto na nasi. Na wale na lawa sa may bayaw. To may vital no me mission do na nam dato mo wanda ta kini betum do sa ndo mo sa singire ni ngole ni undu. Cikutal no kutu na singile mo. Ngayon do talang ono nang gayabo ken. Tungkol sa tayo na. Na wale. Thank you, doctor. Naka.
Nagsaka.
Naka.
Nagbalik.
Nawala. Thank you. Chat.